we're here today at the beautiful Grade A listed Burnet Building that was built in 1896, and it's really a significant building here in Campbeltown, and it has been undergoing some structural movement, and in order for us to sort of preserve its long-term security in future, we are undertaking some stabilisation works with a non-traditional injection of geopolymer under the actual surface of the building, as opposed to a kind of traditional underpinning method, which would have put us in a position to close the building for longer disruption works. Given that the building is nearly 130 years old, there has been some structural movement over time. There was some notable cracks to the front of the building as that faces on to Campbeltown Lock. This is a significant building not only to the council. It was donated by the architect J.J. Burnet to the people of Campbeltown, and it's an important part of Campbeltown itself. It's rich in history. It houses the Campbeltown Museum, and there's a lot of council services that are run from here as well, so it's somewhere local that the public can actually come in. They can pay for their council tax, pay for other services. There's also the marriage room at the front, and so yes, it's served this community well for, as I say, over 130 years, or nearly 130 years. Our department had reached out to some consultancies for different sort of methods that could be looked at. Obviously traditional underpinning is one, but it's very disruptive, it can be very costly, and it can take far longer also, which would be redirecting the museum, marriages in the building for longer. So we were looking for a solution that would be neater and quicker, and of course most cost effective for the people of this council. And we looked into the geopolymer route, and it seemed like our best solution for cost, for efficiency and overall stability. Yes, so we will be monitoring the works following the completion of the project this week. There will be some tests done in the next couple of weeks, and then again it will be assessed in 6 months' time to basically look and check for any movement in the building and the success rate of the works itself. It's going to be great for us as the council to look at the success rate of it and to potentially use it again in the future.